guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Edwin and you are?
Victoria!
Yeah, so hit that like, subscribe on the bottom or the top, I forgot where it is. But yeah, we're doing an unboxing for the Cybertruck Hot Wheels RC.
Yeah!
Yeah, we ordered this, so I put in the order like about, what, March 2020, last year? And then they said I'll get it by December, but then they got backed up, and then they got an email like in February or January.
It was February.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See if we still wanted it, and obviously, yeah.
And then we got it.
Yeah, we literally just got it.
Well, Bobby got two, one for me and one for him.
Yeah. So we're gonna open this one and just save the other one, just as a collectible kind of thing. But yeah, that's it. You can see that's the side. That's the back. The other side. That's the actual front. And then you can kind of see the car right there on the top. So we're going to open it up. Well, she already kind of started, but go for it. Open it. Oh wow, this is a lot of instructions.
Oh my god, the car is stuck.
It's a lot of instructions. Look at that.
Yeah. There's so much instructions.
Wow, that's a lot.
Leave a subscribe button right now in 3, 2, 1. If you click the subscribe button, you should do it right now.
Yeah, what she said. Alright, I know. You said it already, that's fine. So it comes with a little track connecting with the car and actual remote control.
And it's stuck.
No, it's those little twisty things that should come out. Yeah, there's a remote. Yeah, this little twisty that says to twist it. I don't know if you can tell. It says twist and then literally comes right out. The other one is actually taped on there. Yeah, I gotta put it. Watch out. See how we can take that one off. There's one part. Oh, there's a track.
Is the car just stuck on a piece of wood?
Oh yeah. It's not wood, it's cardboard.
I mean cardboard.
Alright. Oh, and it has like rubber bands. I don't know if you could see that. The little clear ones.
Yes, clear.
Yeah, here. You take that one off. Goes around the wheel.
No.
No, it's too hard. Here. Alright, we got one. Now we got two.
It's kind of hard, right?
Oh, there you go. That's it.
Oh, this is the car.
Yeah. Here, go get one of your other cars. And some tracks too.
Well, I got all of them. I got 2 cars.
Alright, so let's see. Yeah, compared to the size, they're about like literally the same size.
Well, this one's kind of flat.
Yeah, but the wheels like line up perfectly, so that's not bad. It's really light. On the bottom, you can see how it has the charging part.
Yeah.
You plug in the little cable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it says on and off.
Careful.
Yeah. And then this part. What was this part? Oh, I guess this is for the battery. We need a screwdriver. And it has a little flat thing. Oh, that's where the cable is. Saw that?
Charge it.
This little flap thing. And the cable comes right out to plug into the car. Okay. So now I need a screwdriver.
Okay.
Alright, so we got the screwdriver.
Yeah.
And we got 4 batteries. It says 4, what was it? It's like reading a newspaper. 4 double A's. Yeah, see, right there. I'm not lying. 4 triple A's. Double A's, I mean. Alright, cool. So that one, unscrew that one. See if it fits. Does it fit?
I can't even tell.
Nope, it's too big. We need another one. And on the back. I got a bigger screwdriver.
Yeah, but this
Or
one's
smaller, I mean.
Yeah, smaller. But
Yeah, this one works.
Yeah, all we have to do is unscrew and just put the 4 battery.
Yeah, so you unscrew it, pop it open.
Ooh.
There we go. Put in the batteries. Last one. Alright, so batteries are in. That's in. Yep, screw it in. Make sure it's straight. There it is. I think you did it. Yep, we're good there. So, to turn it on, it says, actually, I think we gotta charge it first.
Yeah, little battery.
So we're gonna plug it in. Let's see. Okay.
Yeah,
Here we go. It's in. And how do we turn it on? There we go. Press the middle button. Can you see that? You press the middle button to start charging it. That one, let's see. Yeah, while it charges, give it a little minute. Let's see, A, where's A? Oh, the bottom of the car. The little switch, there's a little switch that's on and off. The charging port. There's the LED indicator, which is blinking right now. This one up here, this one is the boost control. Boost button. Obviously these are for steering, left, right, up and down. The middle one, it says it's for pairing and charge. So right now literally I pressed it once and it's blinking. I'm guessing once it's charged it's just lit. These little 2 buttons over here on the side, it says it's for alignment buttons. Whatever that means. But there's a lot of stuff to read though, like a lot. It says it's blinking, the battery is blinking, the little light is blinking when it's low battery. Vehicle is charging when it's blinking, kind of ish, like at a pattern like it is now. Vehicle is fully charged, it's just on. Yeah, so it's charging right now. So it's charged, let's say, I don't know, a minute or 2-ish. So we're gonna unplug it. We're gonna turn it on here. Ah! Hold on, you're pressing the thing.
Oh, sorry, I'm pressing the speed.
Really fast. Oh wow. What? Saw that? That's crazy.
Ow!
And it says it should go on the track and stuff, or to connect to a track. Okay, you don't have to yell. Let's see, there it goes. That's crazy right here. Let's put it up here. In the middle. Do some more donuts. Literally, look, I just turned left. And there it goes.
How about right?
Yeah. Left, right.
That's for the turns. Let me try.
Watch out. It's really fast though. Well, I guess because of the table there's not much friction. It's really smooth. Yeah, look, compared to the other ones, they're about the same size. Oh wait, I think the wheels have grip. They do.
I don't remember.
They have like a little bit of rubber on them.
Okay.
Nice. You got it stuck. Alright, ready? And just go forward.
Okay.
Go. Let me get it. Alright.
Oh!
Whoa. Hold on. Try turning it again. Okay, so we noticed that when she turns left or right, it goes opposite. Like this one goes forward, the other one goes back, and it is just rear wheel drive. Even though the front tires do have grip. Yeah, it's your favorite part. Right?
Yeah!
Well,
Subscribe button in 3, 2, 1. I hope you do it. Bye.
yeah, bye. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, like, all that good stuff. See you in the next one, and